get regular videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with us.
Welcome to our modern snake wine factory, where we produce premium snake wine using controlled snake farming and advanced automation.
The process begins at our controlled snake farm, where we establish specialized enclosures for legally approved snake species.
Under veterinary supervision, we select healthy snakes for breeding, using advanced scanners to ensure
Breeding environments are meticulously set up with precise climate controls to foster healthy reproduction in our controlled snake farming for snake wine.
The Burmese python consumed the full dosage again.
Yes, the growth metrics are stable across the board.
Vitals are stable, but the heat gradient is slightly low.
We should increase the basking temperature by 3 degrees.
Adjusting environmental controls now. Incubation is closely monitored to track embryo development, ensuring healthy hatchlings for our snake wine factory. As eggs hatch, young snakes enter the world under careful supervision, ready for growth in our controlled farm for snake wine production. Nursery enclosures are prepared with care to provide a safe growing environment for young snakes in our snake wine process.
Consumption rates look good on sector gamma. Yes, the new schedule is effective.
The growth rate is slightly below optimal on the green spectrum.
Adjusting the humidity by 5%. Let's monitor the metabolic response.
Humidity systems assist in natural shedding, a key growth milestone for young snakes in our controlled farm. Humidity systems assist in natural shedding, a key growth milestone for young snakes in our controlled farm.
The growth rate is slightly below optimal on the green spectrum.
Adjusting the humidity by 5%. Let's monitor the metabolic response.
Shed skins are collected automatically, ensuring a clean environment for continued growth in snake wine production. Growing snakes are transitioned to juvenile enclosures, accommodating their development in our snake wine factory farm. Feeding is adjusted for juveniles, providing larger nutrients to support rapid growth for snake wine. Juvenile snakes undergo health checks, monitoring venom and vitality essential for quality snake wine.
Stimulation setups encourage natural exercise, keeping snakes healthy in our controlled farming for snake wine.
Prior to harvest, snakes undergo quarantine under veterinary supervision to ensure they are disease-free for snake wine.
The white cell count for the boa is slightly elevated.
Let's monitor it closely.
Sedation is prepared with exact dosing to ensure humane treatment of snakes prior to snake wine processing.
Feeding is restricted during quarantine to prepare snakes for humane processing in snake wine production.
Sedated snakes are transferred safely to the processing facility, maintaining efficiency in snake wine production.
Venom extraction equipment is prepared for safe collection, a step before main processing in snake wine.
Venom is tested for neutralization, a required step to ensure safety in snake wine production.
The alcohol base, at minimum 40% strength, is prepared by blending premium ingredients for snake wine.
Snakes are carefully cleaned and prepared for immersion in the snake wine making process.
Prepared snakes are placed fully submerged into bottles, a traditional step in snake wine crafting.
Bottles are sterilized thoroughly to maintain the integrity of our snake wine. Bottles are filled with a high-proof alcohol base, fully immersing the snake for infusion. Bottles are transferred to aging rooms, where long-term infusion occurs in snake wine making. Initial inspections verify complete submersion and seals before aging our snake wine. Aging parameters are set to climate-controlled perfection, respecting cultural traditions in snake wine.
Looks like the phenolic infusion rate is stabilizing right on target.
Yes, sensor readings across batch 7 are consistent.
In our on-site laboratory, early samples are analyzed for infusion depth, flavor development, and complete venom neutralization. After the first month of aging, small samples are drawn from representative bottles to begin monitoring the infusion progress of our snake wine. Real-time data guides precise environmental adjustments, optimizing the long aging process that defines premium snake wine. 6 months into aging, the snake wine develops its characteristic deep amber hue and complex infusion layers. At the 6-month mark, larger samples are taken to assess the advanced stages of flavor and compound extraction. 6 months into aging, the snake wine develops its characteristic deep amber hue and complex infusion layers. Over 1 to 2 years, the snake wine reaches peak maturity, deep color, smooth integration, and complex character. Before release, final samples confirm the snake wine has achieved full maturity and safety standards.
Sophisticated chemical analysis combined with expert sensory evaluation tracks the development of our snake wine's signature profile.
The structural integrity models look solid here.
Yes, the data aligns with all parameters. We can proceed with the final approval.
Mature bottles are carefully retrieved from the aging racks by precision robotics and begin their journey to final preparation.
Each bottle undergoes rigorous final clarity inspection under powerful backlighting to guarantee visual perfection.
Premium labels are printed with precision and elegance, ready to adorn each bottle of mature snake wine. Labels are applied with robotic precision, transforming each bottle into its final premium presentation.
Check the third one from the left on screen 3.
I see it. It looks like a minor scratch near the base.
Reroute it for manual inspection.
Each precious bottle is encased in custom protective packaging to ensure safe transport.
Bottles are placed into hand-finished gift boxes, elevating the presentation of our snake wine. Boxes are elegantly sealed and finished with premium ribbon, ready for the market.
Every package receives permanent laser coating for complete traceability from farm to consumer. Every package receives permanent laser coating for complete traceability from farm to consumer.
Boxes are elegantly sealed and finished with premium ribbon, ready for the market.
Finished cases are automatically palletized with robotic precision, preparing for distribution.
Pallets are securely stretch-wrapped, ensuring stability during worldwide distribution.
Customer orders are precisely picked and consolidated for shipment from our finished goods warehouse.
Completed pallets enter our high bay warehouse, organized and ready for global distribution.
Picked orders are securely packed into shipping cartons and sealed for safe journey.
Shipments are palletized according to carrier specifications, optimizing logistics efficiency.
Pallets are wrapped, documented, and labeled one final time before leaving our facility.
Finished pallets are carefully loaded into climate-controlled transport, beginning their journey to customers worldwide.
With final checks complete, our snake wine begins its journey from factory to connoisseur. Our snake wine reaches regional distribution centers, where it is efficiently logged and prepared for final delivery.
For direct-to-consumer orders, each bottle receives careful last-mile packaging.
Parcels are transferred to trusted courier partners for final delivery to customers.
For direct-to-consumer orders, each bottle receives careful last-mile packaging.
After its long journey, the consumer experiences the moment of unveiling our meticulously crafted snake wine.
The snake wine reaches its ultimate purpose, a luxurious, traditional elixir enjoyed by connoisseurs. Master tasters confirm the depth, balance, and character that can only come from our precise, years-long process.
From controlled farm to the consumer's glass, this is the complete story of modern, ethical snake wine production.
At our modern facility, tradition meets cutting-edge technology and unwavering ethical standards to create the world's finest snake.
Every drop of water is treated and reused through advanced purification, minimizing environmental impact in snake wine production.
Venom not used in the wine undergoes safe neutralization or is directed to approved medical research. Nothing is wasted irresponsibly.
In controlled experiments, we explore subtle herbal enhancements that respect centuries-old snake wine traditions.
Note the peak on the chromatogram. That's a new development in the venom profile.
I'm cross-referencing the behavior logs now.
It seems calm, but the data suggests otherwise.
premium collections combine multiple vintages in handcrafted gift chests for discerning collectors. A select few bottles begin an even longer aging journey, destined to become rare, limited editions. From our facility, Snake Wine reaches connoisseurs across every continent through a tightly controlled global network. Every export batch receives full compliance certification, meeting stringent international standards. From our facility, Snake Wine reaches connoisseurs across every continent through a tightly controlled global network. Every year, independent auditors verify our humane practices and legal compliance.
We check the mouth for signs of stomatitis, see the coloration.
And when you palpate the midsection, what are you feeling for specifically? Look at the precision of the assembly.
It's incredible how fast the robotic arms move.
And the entire process is completely sterile.
We honor centuries of tradition while bringing safety, consistency, and ethics to snake wine production.
Even in our modern facility, the final human judgment of the master blender seals each batch's destiny.
Advanced VR simulators prepare every team member for critical tasks without risk.
Regular emergency drills ensure lightning-fast response capability at all times.
Each day begins the same way, with perfect synchronization and unwavering commitment to quality. Seasonal deep maintenance keeps our snake habitats in perfect condition year after year. Even at midnight, our snake wine is under constant, silent protection. Even the foil capsule receives a micro-embossed signature, only visible under magnification.
Advanced anti-counterfeiting measures safeguard authenticity from factory to consumer. Every bottle carries an unbreakable digital passport, complete traceability on the blockchain. Advanced anti-counterfeiting measures safeguard authenticity from factory to consumer. Every bottle carries an unbreakable digital passport, complete traceability on the blockchain.
Our rarest vintages support charitable causes through exclusive auctions worldwide.
We open our doors to media and influencers so the story of modern snake wine can be told authentically.
We've had a quiet shift. Logs are fully synced now.
All right, recognized. I'll take the board.
Every million bottles is cause for celebration, a testament to our collective precision and dedication.
With eyes on the future, we plan the next chapter of ethical, large-scale snake wine production.
Our large solar array powers much of the facility, reducing carbon footprint while producing a traditional product.
For every case produced, trees are planted, balancing tradition with planetary responsibility.
Another batch begins its long rest, one bottle at a time, one tradition at a time.
This is where ancient tradition meets uncompromising modern excellence.